Meat and poultry tenderizers are products designed to break down the tough fibers in meat and poultry, making it more tender and flavorful. There are many products available to choose meat and poultry tenderizers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best meat and poultry tenderizers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer. The KitchenAid Gourmet Meat Tenderizer comes with a textured surface for optimum use on a variety of meats and a smooth side for pounding and flattening cutlets. Its aluminum construction makes it lightweight, strong, and durable. The ergonomic handle has a hole for hanging storage, providing multiple storage options. You can easily clean it by hand washing with warm water and a mild detergent. Number 2. KiteXpert Meat Tenderizer Hammer. The KiteXpert Meat Tenderizer Hammer is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used for tenderizing steaks, flattening meats, crushing ice for cocktails, and more. Its ergonomic design and comfortable handle make it easy to use, and its dual-sided hammer allows for different textures of meat. Additionally, it is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. If for any reason you are unsatisfied with your purchase, the company offers a satisfaction guarantee. Number 3. Gorilla Grip Double-Sided Meat Tenderizer Tool. The Gorilla Grip Meat Tenderizer is a powerful and durable kitchen tool that will help you break down even the toughest cuts of meat. It features a dual-sided stainless steel head and an easy-to-grip handle, allowing you to maximize your force without wearing yourself out. The rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe construction ensures that this tenderizer will last for a long time. The soft touch rubber handle provides slip resistance and a comfortable grip, making it easy to use. With its dual-sided design, you can easily tenderize and flatten meats, allowing marinades to penetrate more easily and resulting in the most delicious flavors and recipes. Whether you're pounding down cuts of steak or breaking down tough proteins, the Gorilla Grip Meat Tenderizer is a must-have tool in your kitchen. Number 4. Ollie Glow Meat Tenderizer Hammer Tool Pounder. The Ollie Glow Meat Tenderizer Hammer Tool/Pounder is a multifunctional double-sided mallet-style tool that can be used for tenderizing a variety of meats, including steak, beef, and poultry. The textured surface is perfect for optimal use on meats, while the smooth flattened side is ideal for pounding and flattening cutlets. The ergonomic design allows the mallet and gravity to do all the work in less time, with a soft handle that helps to absorb pressure and is comfortable for both left and right-handed users. The tool is also versatile enough to be used for crushing ice, loosening frozen vegetables, cracking crab, and crushing garlic, among other things. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Die Cast Meat Tenderizer. The OXO Meat Tenderizer is designed to make your meat preparation easier. The die-cast aluminum mallet allows you to tenderize poultry, pork, and beef effortlessly. Its textured side with pyramid-shaped teeth is perfect for tenderizing meat, while the smooth side helps flatten meat quickly. The optimized angle and weight of the head reduce the effort needed to tenderize meat effectively. With a soft, non-slip handle for comfort and safety, even when your hands are wet, the OXO Meat Tenderizer is a convenient tool for your kitchen.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.